Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Bereshit, Genesis, chapter 8. And the sons of Nuach, who went forth from the ark, were Shem, Nam, Cham, burnt, and Yepet, he will entice. Also, Cham was the father of Canaan. These are the three sons of Nuach, and of them the whole earth was overspread. Moreover, Nuach became a husband of the Adamah, and he planted a vineyard. Also he drank the wine. Thus he became drunk and uncovered within his tent. Then Cham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father, and he told his two brethren outside. So Shem and Yepet took a garment and laid it upon both their shoulders, and went backwards and covered their father's nakedness. Furthermore, their faces were backwards. Therefore, they did not see their father's nakedness. However, Nuach awoke from his wine and knew what his younger son had done to him. And he said, "Cursed is Canaan. He will be a servant of servants to his brethren." Then he said, "Shem is the endowed of he who exists, the Elohim, and Canaan will be his servant. Elohim will entice Yepet. Therefore he will dwell in the tents of Shem, and Canaan will become his servant." Moreover, Nuach lived 350 years after the flood, and all the days of Nuach were 950 years. Thus he died.